guys, Matt with Tips for Truckers over here, and today this video is about 5 things I hate about a Conestoga trailer. Now, as you guys know, most of the time I pull a flatbed. Every now and then they put me in one of these, and you know what? It is what it is. So let's get right into it, guys. Number one thing I hate is they come with a lot of these tools, like that crank here that's used to crank up the door. And you also got another tool to loosen this up, as you'll see here in a minute. But what I got a problem with here is they're so easy to lose and hard to replace. Okay, so like I said, this crank here, it rolls up the door. Oh look, it's our friend Shelby. That cranks up the door. Got this crank here to loosen these up. And like I said, these are kind of hard to replace, hard to find. So they're just a pain to have. I would definitely keep a spare if you're pulling a Conestoga. You don't want to get caught about it. Okay, we got that out of the way, having these 2 tools. Kind of pain. But it is what it is. That's not that big of a deal. Another thing is, it's also not that big of a deal. If you want someone to load here, you got to take these out. They're not that bad taken out, but it's just another thing that you have to do also. That brings me on to my next one. And this kind of, I guess you can combine 2 in one. And it gets really hard to hold it. Number one, when it's really cold, because the tar gets kind of frozen and stiff, and it doesn't want to hold up. And in the wind, it's a pain. But these casters also get kind of old. And when I pull forward, you're going to hear it. They have flat spots on it. And you can see it kind of wiggles a little bit before it's hard to push. And that brings me on to my next one. I guess this is the same one. Hey Shelby. It gets really hard to push once you get a couple of these casters down, sliding together. And this is just halfway, guys. But anyway, so that's 3. The next thing I hate about this is, obviously, got to push it all the way forward, and then you load it from the back to the front. But what you do actually is, you load it from the front first, and these are kind of a pain to take off, and I'm going to show you here in a second. Alright, so that brings me on to number 4 here, and that's opening up the front. What you got to do is you take your winch bar, you got a little hole here, you got a tab that holds this gear on. And this gear, it actually has straps on it that hold this bar that hook into the front part of the cart. Real complicated, but I'll show you how you undo it. Pull that tab out, and then you got to unwind this with a couple breaks. Do the same thing on the other side. And you don't want to do this while your tarp's under tension, so you want to always loosen the back up before you start loosening up the front. Otherwise, you'll pop this open, it'll turn real fast and it'll break stuff. I just wanted to show you, pull this bar out, and as I told you, this lines up these straps and hook to the carpet. Pull it back, and then you load your front first. And then after you load the first couple pieces on the front, you'll see that goes back to number 3 here. If they're not staying perfectly straight, it's really hard to move these wheels back and forward, as you can see. So opening up the front is kind of a pain. put your bar into here. Tighten it up. Make sure that jab's in. And that's going to ratchet, that camp's going to ratchet this gear, as you can see how the teeth are arranged. It's one-way, foolproof. But it's not entirely good. Why is that, you say, Matt? It looks like it's on there pretty tight. It's on there tight. But if you tighten this up too good, or what I had a weld break on them, you'll never be able to open up this front. They might have to cut a bunch of stuff internally out of here, because that rod that tightens up that strap, it's behind a bunch of aluminum in some pieces. So when I had that rod break on one of these, what I had to do was I had to pull that all the way forward. I had to tighten it up with my ratchet strap, and the customer had to do some crazy stuff to get it, into her. When you pull this all the way forward, there's still about 15 feet or so where the top 10 feet where the top's still covered, and that makes it kind of a pain. So that's why I say you got to open up the front first, load the front first, and tighten up the back later. And if you were paying attention, remember I said you got to loosen up the back before you tighten this up. You got to do just the opposite when putting it together. Tighten these up, and then you finish up with the back. You got to always make sure you use that process. Otherwise, see what you want the front to get about as tight as you can get it. And since you got a crank on the back, you can infinitely adjust how tight it gets. Whereas these, you got to go by the space between the teeth here. So you can only get this so tight, and that's good. Plus, like I said, you don't want to break anything. So that's another pain, and that'd be the number 5 thing is, if anything breaks on this, it's just a pain. You tear the tarp, you can't haul any more tarp loads because it'll get wet, and if you tear it good enough, I've seen guys have to throw this whole, cut it off, throw it all away, just to, get to a place where they can, get it replaced. God knows how much that is. These trailers have to be over $50,000. And so, it's kind of one reason why I just prefer tarping. I like to exercise, as you guys can see. Get plenty of exercise tarping, and sometimes it's just not worth the pain when you're hauling an untarped load to pull one of these. I give you guys a little bonus. This is built on a 102 wide trailer frame, and they just add this onto it. Obviously, they change out the lights and everything. So this is actually 106 or so, between 104 and 106 wide. And this thing is hard to see around, guys. I'm telling you, you're trying to back up that extra 2 inches. Ask your wife if 2 or 3 inches makes a big difference. It sure does. So that's the 5 things that I hate about my Conestoga trailer. 5 things I hate about owning a Conestoga. Now, when guys ask me, can you pull this Conestoga trailer? You guys know what I say. I say, yeah. I don't mind it. It's real nice in the winter time. And I'll do a video of 5 things I love about it. I like my flatbed better. I like the exercise, guys. Watch my video about how to use these Conestoga trailers too, if you're ever going to use them. That brings me on to another bonus thing I hate about these. Boy, there's a lot to hate. And, oh, hey Shelby, you want to tell them good night? All right. If you're hauling this and it's windy, these are worse than a regular trailer, because this will turn concave, catch the wind like crazy. If you're empty, I wouldn't haul this in in more than 50-mile-an-hour wind or so. But anyway, there's a bonus for you.